So what else are you going to need? Well, you're going to need soldering stuff. So soldering iron is obviously a must when you're soldering stuff. That, of course, you can get a Radio Shack or whatnot. Looks like that. Makes it hot. Tip. And a little glue gun from Michaels with a glue stick. This has got a, clear or white, whatever it is, glue stick in there, but you can get a black one, like I previously explained. And then little tools just to hold the stuff, the wires and stuff. This is just, I have a little magnet hooked to a bunch of stuff. But you can see that little metal disc I was talking about stuck to there. That's how I keep track of everything. And then this little like probe thingy kind of held wires in place while I didn't want my hand to be close to the soldering iron. And the vice grips are really nice because that you can close them and keep a handle on something. Multifunction tool included with a knife so that you can take the this thing off. Of course, you're gonna need a little electrical solder, which is not hard to come by. Again, it's gonna be at Radio Shack. You have questions? They don't have the answer for this. I can guarantee that. Let's see. What else can I find for you? Oh, here's an early rendition of my USB mod. So I just took a USB. This one actually worked. It was on my wife's phone for a while. But you can see it's quite a bit bulkier. It uses the whole plastic housing at the top there. And I took all that off with the next generation and left just that metal. So it comes out quite a bit bulkier. I did use a piece of plastic that I got from one of my donor electronics, basically. And I made a little hood for it. Essentially, it went over on top of the phone, kind of like this. And so it stuck out kind of like an antenna, so it's huge. So that's why we went lower profile. Any kind of epoxy glue is really nice to have, but I didn't use it for this project in particular, but I think I would if I were to do it again. I wouldn't have to use all hot glue, and it's a little bit stronger, a little bit less flexible. You can paint it if you want to change the color of it. Of course, pocket knives. Sharpie. My God, you have to have a Sharpie. If you do use the same color wire, you're going to get confused which one's positive and negative. So you're going to want to mark the black, the wire that you wanted it to be black. Mark it black with a marker. And it does come off, word to the wise. So make sure in between, as you're doing all your stuff and messing with it, that you remark it so that you don't lose track again. I did that several times. Apart from that, really, not much. It was a fun project to do. I could do it much faster now, but it took a couple weekends to master it.